Well, afternoon folks, what's the alpha today? And what's going on with inscription numbers? Well, while everyone's debating all that kind of stuff, I thought we could have a little bit of fun. Check out this inscription here. It's a recursive inscription that I made while I've been doing a little bit of research into recursives, and I thought, how could we make Bitcoin fun again while everyone's stressing out about inscription numbers? Well, here's an interesting way how we could do it. If you basically want to do one of these, what I thought we could do with it is I've sent two of these. I've not sent one to myself. You would send them as a gift to your friend. So basically send a gift to your friend on Bitcoin. And I thought it's quite cute, quite funny. Bring a bit of a, I don't know, light-hearted laugh back to the space. If you want to take part and you want to do one, what you would do is I sent this one to Bob on Bitcoin. I also sent this one to Leonidas's wallet. So both of you have got a gift. If you like it, keep it. If you don't have to keep it. It's cool. But if you want to do one, it's a little simple bit of HTML text where we are going to call a recursive inscription. So what we're going to do is we're going to recall this recursive inscription here. So you're going to pick your friend, whoever you want to send this to, go to their wallet, pick their image here. So this one was Leonidas's for an example. What you need is the inscription ID and the inscription number. So you get the ID and copy that there. And what we would do is, this is the code, and I'll post this in the comment down below in a secondary comment. But you would post his inscription ID here, replacing this one. You would write his sat.name there, and you would write the inscription number there. Now what's most important is when you save this file, you would save it as a .html file. It will then appear as whatever you use as your browser, like mine's Brave. You would then make your way over to Unisat, and you would press here. It will then open up your computer. Inside, as I say, you'll have the text document like I just showed you, but you'll also have the exact same thing saved as a HTML document. Right there it says HTML document. That's the one we're going to load. So you'd open that one. I've got two now, of course I don't want to. But then you would put his wallet information in here, not your own. And then send it and pay it. I thought it'd be a light-hearted thing to do to bring back a bit of fun to the space and make Bitcoin fun again. So if you want to take part, do one of these, pick a friend, pick their inscription, write out your recursive JSON like I showed below, and add their information here, and it'll add it just like this, and they'll have a happy little image in their wallet that displays their sat name and the inscription number that you're displaying behind. Very important to know, don't send them to yourself. Hopefully a friend will send one to you. So hopefully someone sends one to me, because I don't have one yet either. But yeah, if you want to take part, feel free. Check out the information down below. If you have any questions, at me in this tweet. Cheers.